In this video we're going to prove from first principles that the derivative of x to the power 3 is 3x squared. We start with f of x equals x cubed. If we know the definition of the derivative, we can begin our proof by deduction, and we can write this, where h represents an infinitely small change in x. Our function is x cubed, so let's apply this to the terms in the numerator. Now we need to expand the brackets. This gives us this. So let's simplify next. This gives us this. We can now use the h in the denominator to cancel out an h in each of the numerator terms. This tells us that we want to evaluate the expression when h tends to 0. So when h does tend to 0, these terms also both tend to 0. So we are left with this as required. This is the process to go through if you need to do any differentiation by first principles. I hope this has helped. Thank you for watching.